Hi guys, welcome back. This is Kay. So in this video, I'll be doing a review on my Instant Pot 7-in-1 air fryer. I'll be testing out this frozen pizza. It's about an 8-inch pizza. It comes with instructions for you to bake it at 480 Fahrenheit for 13 to 15 minutes. And I'm showing you the tray that the air fryer comes with. So that's the size. So right here now, I'm just gonna go ahead and select all the temperature and the timing, select the bake option, and I'm gonna be selecting doing it for 14 minutes and at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This air fryer heats up pretty fast and it really does the job quickly. So that is the reason why I only put it at 350 and at 14 minutes. So I press start and it takes time for it to tell you when to add. So taking the pizza out of the box right here and showing you what it looks like, and right now you can see that the pizza does not fit on the tray. So I had to basically remove the edges from the pizza in order to get it fit. I probably could have cut it in half and see if it works there, but I cut around the edges. So I must say that I added the pizza at about 11 minutes. And right there, I'm showing you when it was now at cooking and it only had 6 minutes left. So you can see some of the pepperoni are a bit fluffing up and that kind of stuff. So it's getting done. And now we only have a couple of seconds left. So I'm just going to turn on the light for you to see what it looks like. So it basically looks done. You can see like the cheese is bubbling, the pepperoni is bubbling, a couple of the other stuff looks a little bit crisp here and there, and it's come to the end. So yes, this is the final outcome, what the pizza looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead. It cuts down smoothly. You can see it looks a little bit crisp right there, but then again, it's a thin crust with soft edges, but basically I destroyed the edges. It was done, it was cooked. My only disadvantage, or I would say the only thing that I would have done differently, is I would have given the bake tray itself and the dip tray more room so the air, the dry air or the cooking air, could penetrate the bottom of the pizza some more. Otherwise, it cooked perfectly to my liking at the temperature and the time that I gave it. Because if you can see from the top of the pizza, if it had stayed there a little longer, it would be somewhat burnt. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.